Hellcat, boy. Yeah, that's Mike. That's Mike right there. He's the drifter here at Exotics Race in North Las Vegas. You just saw him whip that Hellcat out. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. We're here at Exotics Racing. You see it? We're here at Exotics Racing. Las Vegas. We come to play. You see it, big Ferrari. This the Ferrari F8, 700 horsepower. Love it, man. Real low, sits real low. You know, for Ferrari, that's pristine quality. So we had the racetrack. It's a good day. It's a good, beautiful day. What's up, everybody? We here at Exotics Racing. We're waiting to run some few laps in the Huracan, but while we wait, I'll go ahead and show you, show you what they got. Here, of course, we have the Acura NSX. Beautiful car. I mean, just look at it. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Acura NSX. Got your Nissan GTR 50th anniversary. Here's more of the Acura interior. Here you have your GTR 50th anniversary. Beautiful wheels. Right here you have your Mercedes AMG GTR. Beautiful green color. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. German machine. Here you have your new C8 Corvette, you know. Mid-engine car. Mid-engine Corvette. Beautiful C8. Give you a look at the interior. Let's walk over here. We got some GT3s, got some 991 GT3s, GT2. Let's check out what we got. Got a Skittles combination, you know what I'm saying? Taste the rainbow. Can you taste the mother rainbow? Can you taste the rainbow? Got your GT3 RS right here. Beautiful, beautiful car. So much aerodynamic performance parts, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. Got another GT3 RS right here. Taste the rainbow, they say. And another one. Got your GT500 Super Snake. Don't get bitten. Just don't get bit. You might get bit fucking around with this one. Big power in this one. I think it's 750 horsepower. Big power. American muscle. Right here you have your Gallardo, Lamborghini Gallardo. One of the older Lamborghinis, you know. Still stylish though, still in style, still hip. Here you have the Huracan. This is what I'll be driving. I don't know which one, either the white or the black one. Here's your Lamborghini Huracan. LP 580, 580 horsepower, 5.2 V10, same engine in the Audi R8 if you're not familiar. And over there you have a McLaren. I'm pretty sure that's a, I'm not sure if that's the 575 or the 720S. We're gonna wrap this up because it's almost our time to race.